the most efficient motor ever is actually a brushless motor, right? Almost most electric cars, I don't know some other companies, but most of them use brushless motors, right? So yep, they're very good. So basically, I decided I'm going to make a motor speaker using a brushless motor. So we'll see if it will perform as great as the brushed motor. Okay, so basically this is the brushless motor right here. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So I'll open the packaging. So this motor is mostly used on, like, I'll see airplanes, drones. As you can see, this right here is the brushless motor. What I like about it is the whole motor case of the motor itself spins. So basically, when you put a blade right here, the blade spins with the motor case itself. So basically, it's almost like a flywheel. So all this material on the motor is spinning as well with the blade as well. So we're going to use this motor. Okay, so as for the container I'm going to be using this plastic box, right? So this is going to be our speaker box. And then the new design is going to use elastic bands. So I thought of using ordinary elastic bands, but you guys really love colorful things. So I got colorful elastic bands or rubber bands. Okay, so the rest of the things are just the tools and the wiring. So the first step is I have to assemble this brushless motor. So it comes with all the screws and the mount.
Firstly, I have to tighten 4 screws to mount the motor bracket, then an additional 3 more screws to mount the motor shaft. Afterwards, I'm going to take my plastic container, mark out 4 holes, use a soldering iron to make the holes, then I'm going to screw the motor bracket to the plastic container. That will mount the motor to the plastic container. Then I'm going to take washers just to space out these elastic bands. Then afterwards, all I have to do is just put the plastic container lid back on and it's done. Then I just have to connect the motor to the audio amplifier. Simple.
Okay, so the first song I'm going to play is Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairies. As you can see, I'm going to press play and look if the music starts. Okay, just to show you that the music is playing from the speaker. Right, there we go, play. Now, what I like about this brushless motor compared to the brushed motor is the brushless motor, the audio is very clear. It's like you can hear word for word each detail of the song, but the problem of the brushless motor is maybe it's because of the size, but it doesn't have the bass like the rumble. But other than that, when it comes to just normal sound, it's quite good and it's quite clear. And it's loud, I can hear it. And then when you reduce the volume, the audio becomes even more clearer. But if you increase it too much, then the audio becomes distorted. Alright? Now I'm going to play another song, okay? This one has a little bit more bass. Reduce volume. Listen how clear the audio is. This is clear audio.
1, 2, 3, go.
Listen to that!
This motor has potential. Like, I can hear the bass.
Alright, so now it's time to try another song. Once again, I have to prove that the audio is coming from the speaker right here. This one. Pausing the music. As you can see, the music stopped. Pressing play. Okay. Alright, and just for fun, I'm going to play just you could say I'll play a song from YouTube. Okay, so the song I chose to play is just the two of us, no copyright. Alright, so because I'm going to use this person's song, make sure to give it a like. Boom. Alright, now let's hear what this song sounds like. Boom. I adjusted the volume perfectly. Right now the volume is at 20 is perfect. From time with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us. Just the two of us. If you consider subscribing, we will always be together, you and I. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video. Bye.